Hi everyone, welcome to Masoomi Academy. Learning today, leading tomorrow. We're back with another exciting lesson on daily English sentences with animation. Let's get started.
I wait in line at the cashier. I wait in line at the cashier.
The cashier scans my items one by one. The cashier scans my items one by one.
I put my items in a shopping bag. I put my items in a shopping bag.
The cashier tells me the total price. The cashier tells me the total price.
I pay with cash today. I pay with cash today.
I ask for a receipt, please. I ask for a receipt, please.
Here it is. I enter my PIN number on the machine. I enter my PIN number on the machine.
I say thank you to the cashier. I say thank you to the cashier.
I check my receipt before leaving. I check my receipt before leaving.
I say goodbye and walk to the exit. I say goodbye and walk to the exit.
Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like, subscribe, and leave your thoughts in the comments. See you in the next video.